Hello and welcome in See My Lifestyle. Today I am going to show you how to make shea pudding or shea dessert. It is very easy to make. It is very delicious and it is very healthy. We can have it as a breakfast and we can enjoy it as a dessert. So let's see what we need for it. For making our shea sheet, these are my ingredients. And first thing I'm going to cook my strawberry jam or strawberry sauce. Flame is on and I'm putting my strawberries here. You don't need to, some are chopped and some are not, they are small, so it is okay. They will cook and they will mash in it very easily and quickly. I'm adding some sugar. We need very little sugar, or you can add either jaggery or sugar or honey, or you can have maple syrup. It is absolutely your choice. You can, so here we go, it goes very small amount and I will cover it. We don't need any water. I will cover and leave it few minutes, and now I will do my next step. So next step is I'm using yogurt for my next step. You guys feel free to use either coconut milk or normal milk or yogurt. I'm using Greek yogurt. It is thick yogurt, but you can use normal yogurt as well, as long as it freshly made. It should not be savory. And then I will add my chia seeds in it. And then mix it, give it a good mix and leave it. It doesn't need any cooking at all, just its moisture will work and then they will double or triple in their size. So we will leave it one side. And now my next step is I'm using banana. I'm using roughly 2 bananas, as banana is very healthy in morning. It gives you energy, potassium and lot more benefits. Now I will mash it like that with forks. You don't need any machinery or any mixture. Look at this, how easily you can do it. It is all done as we wanted. Now I will mix it in our yogurt and shea mixture. All of it will go in. And then I will give it a good mix and leave it in fridge until our jam or sauce is ready. Now let's see our sauce. Look at this, without adding any water, how much liquid is here. So now I will remove my lid and I will cook it like that on medium heat. And I will keep mashing it like that with my wooden spoon. And if you want, you can leave them chunky. If you want, you can make them very fine paste. It is coming all together very well and it is look very nice. So on this point, I will turn it off. My flame is turned it off and now I am leaving it to cool down completely. Today I am in mood of decorating. So first I will add some yogurt and chia seed mixture in center, and then I will decorate my strawberries. It is not essential. If you have time and if you feel free, you enjoy some time decorating, or you want to impress somebody, or you want to impress yourself, so you can enjoy and decorate like that. And then fill one more spoon, and then same way we can have another bowl, and then have rest of it on top. Now I will decorate rest of it, our strawberry jam and some seeds. Now I will top up our jam or strawberry sauce as much as you want again. And then I would like to finish with some seeds and some coconut powder. And if you want, you can decorate some more bananas. And if you like herbs, so have some mint. It is and leave it in fridge, or you can have it as it is. So here we go. Our pudding is ready and it is chilled in fridge. Now guys, it is your choice. If you like cold, so you can leave it in fridge half an hour, or you can have just on room temperature. So you tell me now, what do you think about this wonderful and beautiful recipe and dessert or breakfast? Please share your comments in comment box and share this recipe with your friends and family and enjoy yourself. Subscribe my channel for more lovely videos and posts. See you next time. Bye, cheers and happy cooking.